Soundbars have evolved way beyond simple TV speaker upgrades. In 2026, some models can genuinely deliver immersive Dolby Atmos, powerful bass, and room-filling audio from surprisingly clean setups. In this video, we'll go through 5 of the best soundbars available right now, from minimalist hi-fi systems to full cinematic packages. Let's get started. Sonos Arc Ultra. Starting with the Sonos Arc Ultra, this feels more like a significant overhaul of the 2020 original Arc than a mere update. With a slender, curved design that fits in well with contemporary living room arrangements, it visually maintains Sonos's simple, minimalist appearance. However, the most significant improvement is taking place internally, thanks to a new bass technology known as Sound Motion. Sonos currently use smaller opposing drivers, which are intended to minimize vibration while maintaining deep low-end performance, in place of bigger conventional woofers. Even without the addition of a separate subwoofer, early evaluations indicate that the bass sounds cleaner, quicker, and tighter than the previous Arc. The Arc Ultra uses 15 Class D amplifiers and 14 drivers to run a virtual 9.1.4-channel Dolby Atmos arrangement for movies. The soundstage feels substantially larger and wider, especially in scenes with rain, airplanes, or natural atmosphere. Thanks to the new AI speech enhancement feature with customizable levels, dialogue clarity is also a major focus this time. Since the previous Arc mainly relied on Wi-Fi streaming, Bluetooth 5.3 is another welcome feature. One of Sonos's best tools for adjusting sound to various settings is still TruePlay room tuning. The Arc Ultra is still firmly in the luxury category at $1,000, but it appears to be one of Sonos's largest advances in years for those seeking powerful bass, clear vocals, and strong surround performance from a standalone soundbar. Additionally, the next soundbar takes a totally different stylistic approach. Marshall Heston 120. Because it is so unlike any other contemporary soundbar, the Heston 120 stands out right away. The iconic amplifier DNA of Marshall is brought straight into the living room with faux leather textures, brass accents, and tactile control knobs, giving it a lot more personality than other premium soundbars today. 11 internal drivers, including up-firing Atmos speakers and 2 internal woofers, make this a freestanding 5.1.2-channel Dolby Atmos soundbar. That eliminates the need for a separate subwoofer, keeping the setup uncluttered and uncomplicated. The sound tuning is what sets the Heston 120 apart. Marshall leans more toward a melodious and pleasant sound, as opposed to the explosive performance that many high-end soundbars prioritize. The emphasis of the bass is not on deep sub-bass rumble, but on impact rather than subtlety. It would appear that the tuning is optimal for playing back music, particularly acoustic, jazz, blues, or rock. Unlike most contemporary soundbars, Marshall even has an RCA input for use with turntables. While Dolby Atmos does a good job of simulating a full theater experience in a home theater, the lack of physical backspeakers makes the surround immersion feel less immersive. Users of the PS5 and Xbox Series X still have access to features like HDMI 2.1 with 4K 120Hz pass-through. The Heston 120, which retails at roughly $1,000, seems to be more suited to those who value music listening as much as movie watching. The following soundbar is a lot more dedicated to audiophile standards, in contrast to Marshall's emphasis on character and analog-inspired warmth. KEF XIO. In contrast to the majority of high-end soundbars, the XIO adopts a completely novel method, the first major 5.1 release from the firm. Fans of high-quality audio who would rather not clutter their living space with a plethora of speakers and wires will like this 2-channel soundbar. When it comes to design, the XIO is incredibly understated and sophisticated, resembling contemporary furniture rather than consumer electronics. The internal components of these KEF speakers include 12 active drivers and 12 Class D amplifiers, which together provide a maximum of 820 watts. The most notable feature is KEF's UniQ MX driver technology, which allows for clearer sound separation and more accurate imaging by positioning the tweeter inside the mid-range driver. 4 oval woofers with built-in force cancellation and Vico distortion reduction technology handle the bass. Besides, when listening to Dolby Atmos content, particularly in situations with overhead effects or ambient noise, the soundstage seems expansive and lifelike. The surround impression is at its most effective when seated dead center though, because this is still an all-in-one design sans rear speakers. Among the features that are compatible are KEF's Smart Room Calibration app, high-resolution audio streaming, Dolby Atmos, and DTS:X. Constraints such as a single HDMI EARC port and the absence of a front display are yet present. The $2,500 KEF XIO is obviously made for people who value minimal design and high-quality audio more than maximizing the cinematic effect. Obviously, not all audiophiles desire a bare-bones system. Where Samsung comes into it is precisely when certain people want complete cinematic mayhem in the finest way imaginable. Samsung HWQ-99OF. Rather than focusing on enhancing TV audio, Samsung has been making soundbars that resemble whole home theater systems, and the HWQ-99OF is no exception. One of the most comprehensive Dolby Atmos configurations available on the market at the moment, this bundle already contains a wireless subwoofer in addition to 2 back satellite speakers, rather than being a single bar. The primary soundbar measures about 1.2 meters in width, maintaining the design's massive and aggressive proportions. Compatible with 55-inch or larger televisions, it performs admirably. With 23 drivers in all, and an output power of about 756 watts, the system technically produces an 11.1.4 channel setup. In a smaller cabinet, Samsung now employs 2 8-inch drivers that are opposed to one another. There is a lot of low-end impact during action scenes, but first impressions are that the bass is tighter, cleaner, and less boomy. The surround performance is what really sets this apart for Dolby Atmos and DTS:X content. Accurately placed sounds of helicopters, rain, or explosions flit across the space, creating a believable effect. Additionally, the Active Voice Amplifier Pro function from Samsung ensures that the dialogue remains clear. Also, gamers will like the inclusion of VRR, compatibility with PS5 and Xbox Series X, and support for HDMI 2.1 with 4K 120Hz pass-through. Thus, users can still take advantage of lossless audio while playing games with minimal latency. The HWQ-99OF is one of the most powerful complete soundbar kits available today, but it's undoubtedly pricey at $2,000. However, it offers a robust Atmos experience without the need to drag speaker cords across the room. Finally, we depart from soundbars that are purely performance-oriented and instead create an environment that evokes a sense of high-end audio engineering infused with opulent interior design. Bang & Olufsen Beosound Premiere. Rather than sounding like a regular soundbar, the B&O Beosound Premiere has the air of a high-end design object that also happens to produce excellent sound. B&O adopts a significantly more refined approach, with a design that resembles contemporary Scandinavian furniture, in contrast to many luxury soundbars that continue to prioritize futuristic tech aesthetics. A monument to the year of Bang & Olufsen's founding, the grille design has 1,925 tiny perforations, and the body is constructed from solid aluminum with an exceedingly exquisite finish. Theater glow. An understated lighting element that responds to volume changes adds an artistic touch that sets this product apart from the norm in home theater equipment. Despite the high-end aesthetic, the hardware is very functional. 10 drivers and 10 independent Class D amplifiers provide a combined power output of about 580 watts in the Beosound Premiere's 7.1.4 channel configuration. Reportedly, the use of Dolby Atmos results in an expansive and engaging soundstage, with natural-sounding conversation maintained. When it comes to playing music, this soundbar really shines. According to many critics, it doesn't sound like a regular soundbar at all, but more like high-end bookshelf speakers. The stereo imaging is crisp and clear, the instruments sound distinct, and the tuning isn't muddy or artificial. Even though it won't be able to supplant a separate subwoofer for those seeking devastating low-end impact, the bass is surprisingly deep for an all-in-one system. Among the features are B&O's Mozart Multi-Room Platform, Bluetooth 5.4, Dolby Atmos, AirPlay 2, Spotify Connect, and Tidal Connect. The lack of further HDMI inputs and the single HDMI EARC port are the primary drawbacks in terms of connectivity. With a price tag of almost $5,800, the Beosound Premiere is aimed squarely at high-end consumers who value design, construction, and sound production above all else.